It is.
Karibu sana nende mwancho mwarigini kira mwana turachi kwa ase orongo roiga aragusi twari kurigiria amagendero ale aroro nende munakanela kumani kabinito oikire aiga ase studio ritkuria rero kero kego ikachinsa iberinto chiko wanchira gose umorobirio nde no chiko so asembeo kero obono tubate ensemo yo kurigiria amagendero aiga ase orongo ragusi ase obongo bono Mr. Jared karibu sana me studio nande nakibwakire
bwakire tuwakanya sambi ya mwana toreri baga kwanyara ko nyara ko bato korari tukeri asamari tanguru Jared mekenyongwae Uganda Director at Water Resources Authority ya Karukuru Walma
Jared una wata taratora Embra
yantu yake ya mbero ma de nevisio tangi wadi na ko gare vitu vyame nevisio binene
karibu sana ime studio nande nkote bambia mnasumu keep chinza
mbya man
ni merimo kyo kora
njako kore merimo Asikisi University na ande permanent staff in the School of Health Science lakini ande president na Nchore Kerogo Yoko director at Water Resources Authority. Nerega to anda to koraba Kenya bona hiyo.
Water Resources Authority.
Yes.
Ningi kiombekeke okora.
Water Resources Authority ne parastato under Ministry of Water in the national government. Toko nyara ko bato kurigeria maji. Toko regulate ya maji. Water like water resources, all water resources. That's all about water resources. Terminating chindoje cheito basembu ya chile. Eto ibuna basigari bako cheki ya maji ito takea. Nani ngero ndo korekana. Chindoje, chilake, ocean and underground water. Ona inaweka to kuria ni to kwata maji otarale mege sima to kwata experts bago ta checking maji naro and na kiari na isaine and to check ko sena mayari to kwata kila laboratory in our regional offices as to check whether maji ina what impurities are they fit for consumption to manya ko bato ko license. So we also do a lot throughout the country. Ekere chidamu togoro sidam onyendara ko permit because you to check whether that dam safety na kiere to the people thereof. Tuamanya also go check flooding in the country. Una mwara budarangi rembra ya tu machaga ichora to sara our work is to the key meet achieve test all of our livers ekara macha ichora mono njira bantu. So we also come in when the flooding happens. But importantly into to ensure all our liver sources are safe. Na maji na mayadi.
Kile kwa hivyo kuna igasi county ya Kisii na Nyamira na ki water sources chile. The supply ya maji.
The water service. The total work with also water companies like ya Kisii ega ya Kekati. Total kolega sana barabo onyeshwa na maji ali na mayadi for human consumption and then safe and then enough. Abantu mbai ko ya korera kwa sol kurugo. To bala basikali bako check. Really mondo ta chabe ke pampu cha kurugo without our authority. So that one okay and conflict within the people. So our water and the bago to me Chinyomba, we have partnered in companies throughout the country. When I will see we ensure Ndogwata maji saine akoba palmed into our homesteads and the places. So with the Nyamira, for instance, na barumba sabe permit yoko bacha kama company ya maji. So that they are the right one Nyamira na baruba konyora amaji saine in our localities.
Mbara baba gutwara company ya maji.
Ya mbara baba gutwara all along ibago share ya kusonga. Yes. Lakini bachakire process to avere permit ya yamo ni permit genenjiro. So the county government of Nyamira is also doing well in that aspect because they have had some public participation. They have had meetings for the same. I think soon they will have their own water.
Mbia mwana sana kiro kurire au moche busongo mache arona isaine kwantu watu machando mono
moche busongo ngade membruveti yake baguyate chipae punara chi network chibuyanta koira mache kiro moche lakini mata mache county ya busongo na ile ko bage gukora igendo to ko kanga distribution now Our work is to ensure that market delivers not enough, which is true. Market ana kutobora kusiga. As an hour on your match abudete, yave mechandong some northeastern places. Lakini iga usi match arota mechando. Mechando gera maybe on some distribution aspects. Yes.
Oranyora bantu baba gira match kila make. Usi abandi baranyora.
Because of costs kibanyora chipipe and working in it is not yave mechandaga. Lakini asago nyora match in terms of capacity naro.
Biyo mono sana. Wono tukurigiriria asense mo ya amagenderero gesiasa ime yorogongo rwa Gusii. Ndi bagari mu gusindireria se serikali ga ya bono.
Bono, ndi bagari mu gusiasa serikali ya bono. William Ruto tu amwakerete chukura kitalinke. Kuna ko Gusii gaiga. Ntu amata chukura icheto. Nanye kyalenge nyinga mono. Kinamba cyetu cyaba Gusii na aronjiri boromono lakini twatameta komwa na ndi kuna twa moirega otemire nere ko bana intunga na rengege ngakikete asoko launch amagenderero amagenderero na country ya would depend kibasa to bwata sa country lakini William depending chikura twa moete otemire sana kobeko mu Gusii angenere
Njerakiye
as amagendero twanyare ko bagatoa in terms of appointments abantu amagendera to to chakere chi appointment to chipara they may not be enough like depending on the training jiba sabanyare ko mini amagendera chakere ko bagakora makenga bona to te airport yomanyete imejana leaders to taragire ngajiye getiye kienda gwenda ko and now because we were in those meetings, Karato and Dagang Abono, Norase. One year of Nava Gusii, Malava, the Vansirunga, around about the Vangasuna Casino, and Nesane, around about the Vegetiki and Dagang Gadi, Kitutu Masama, Bono, around about the Kirigoris, one image in two number leaders, but I agree on one common point, so that was assured. You gave us that.
Mr. Jared, wakwanirechia appointments. Fikira Gusii ndo changa abantu amatukawangu gabara ibange babere bakwe murungani nga umurai wense kiro kende taraina na amabagali arama yagocha asero kongo Gusii abara ya wambara isaneka. Inkirengere kiro
bono ekerechi appointment president buna yeto bogambiga anyalta koba garotoa gawa appoint abantu bakebake abantu abanya atakobaga go appoint number 1 ekorogo kyo mawaziri ndobwate ki ministry kire togo kiroka relevant ministries one of the relevant ministries injiri kire defense, internal security, education, agriculture and others njiro nkega akamanya to one of the relevant ministries togo ka minister of education ria to mawaziri ro mutangani oriko macho Yubono igana ande maintain ya safa Gusii. Ebwada billion nasomo waziri my friend Curious Migosi Ogamba aromo waziri and is doing a great job there. I think we'll come back to that. Akamanya katwana anda kana nyamira ka usimu solicitor general. Solicitor general na bange equivalent to a PS in the ministry of Attorney General. So ne na mo ko Shadrack Amose oyogoro chuba sengoru are the president of the time. So those are powerful positions. We cannot say they are not. As much as we need others, we need other positions. But akamanya point bono jibara start on balibali akaweka awanto in appointments akaweka musike Walter Nyambati na nero chairman ya Gusii Prevention Caucus ya William Ruto ategasi oyobozi bugavana Nyamira okurukumo sacha Walter Nyambati akamwache otamu as the chairman akanda akaba na te ichate my friend Duke akamwana ro chairman bwa astogoro kanga a fund a commodities fund akamanya kwa abande Purity my friend Purity Kirera kama Promise of Kenya aka friend ya no ku Mike Wanyachaya ale chairman ya developmental bank abange da tera Jalso Ngoto friend ya ndo ku Mosioli Church ku Nyamira ali not mugirango akamwa board member astogoro kanga Wildlife Trust Fund Bobundubi omwata muisondo kuro Nyamira nere olenge board ya Kisii University na raka mwa oil. So every sector at the universities, I can tell you for free. University nere hardly at month. In Nakangwana, Kabianga, if you go to Joust, the other way is from Moyo, South Mugirango. So you are still tried in the world Sadekia, Soro Kenas, Amos Andama or Enema, among in an arrow could be Josephine, or women that could be a mirror, and Alama Kenya Daily Board. Now, I can't say, because I'm an official, this official, I Communication Commission of Kenya. Now, I'm carried around the 6th. I'm now in universities, parastatals, and others. Even in terms of appointments, we need more. Aba uzibaito ndotakere ebirogo binge lakini ndotakere binge atakona kumwebera liga wesenato ebirogo binde so that yara ko badosaba bagusiba mindo ne country yeto Kenya
mbecho na watu ye umubaro oli goromono wabantu bari bairu birogo na umurai wense batutigabona abantu mbamenyetia singencho nkoligerenga abara ya bange niko bagende totana bagusimba atwaribaga lire ligi ya serikali njeno yombo batabanga tutakere birogo binge binde ake lakini kana toko batabayo na toko anangora na president buna appoint minto Timothy Bosire gari karogo kiantese na limanga mangana na banga na kinda kiba to amatoronge lakini mate karogo na gari kiantese na wewe bill takare wake you serve the country aba gusiba gataya toko lakini nenda katoko ligere libuyega like this yo cheji parasa inga university yetu ndoko ati vice chancellor around Vinya. I can tell you Professor Nathan of Kisii University who is doing a wonderful job. Who has transformed the Kisii University today to a wonderful place it is. It's a time to rather and Open University of Kenya and rather Professor Mwenga. These are professors I mentioned. Multimedia, there is a lady, a Professor Mugusi. The government way to don't think William Nabagata soft spot for us. Appointment the Kinata and Leki Ninga Kore Vega, it's together around 50. It's Ichirichi Ninga. Ntokonya ibirogo nata etepike. Nata etepike, ntoni boremono given our numbers and the phones to Amwet. Vantu wange mbaraba bako byakora
ile bakwana akaba ngale Victoria ndo bari Jacqueline Momanyi gari bunesiyo Nora naro Kenya Development Corporation CEO CEO University Funding no mo CEO ko Monari Youth Fund. There is also Kisii and many others whom we cannot be able to finish.
Eke ogendete kuba turaigo twarigere tonyaranga mpare bairu birogo kete ime serikali ya Kenya kwanza kurinde babitu gutera ose babikanire bagwancha kukana guse siasa ne
bwana ose kuriye binege ya chomo ali ke abrata Timothy akanete ebego bidiye bya tuwe party because of broad based almost because William Ruto tatakora all Kenyans together on the feeling tabu the shares in this government akaranto muske Raila Odinga a very national wonderful figure or now tukana international akarwa akamwa biro bikaiga abantu baye wano Raila mheshimiwa Raila akati motubusire ekero genti yasecha bunanya akaba ukana you know abantu lakini nende to me ekero biro chakera mawega asenga na bokora akora igaba Kenya bakoriyeri bamanya kugota bano bano bakorire guya kwalendera hoda in our roads bano digata kwa no governor no nyekende akara manyere performance ya so ntu abwato usomere manga my sister who had turned down an appointment for personal reasons. It's not taken care because now we can agant now to get na Nairobi Rivers the mheshimiwa Sagera Gidaro Choru and is doing a good job. I was with him in Nairobi the other day reasons yakaiwe kende na bagianje it was for personal reasons telling him and the president hapana
tali siasa eroro
ile siasa ina for me it was for personal reasons na iwe kende in the midst of defense she took it up.
Ndio bana sana watu ile amo raivu kama kirikia audio muskere ila Odinga aba raikurwa asero kungurwa gusimba baba kwemurunga nirinjira umurayo yo anyarete kona na mabaga ime kama kia ODM
aba gusiba minto asemwa beta gongo batabenga na very necessary go chimotwe maybe kere family ya chamo Raila Odinga iga beta fair no nera sama bagaitu twari abantu bandi bakora go cyari centro bakayana nabo karakine Raila nata nataka ba fair akanda ari Mombasa karigereria ka jo gari aka abantu babere Raila nayo maita abana ba capacity ya ene kisina ba yona ba benga yengo koga adamu wako rewise na tunane country ya dagete koi era ya tunata kata bayaya njengo tunanike man
na bete fa cha somo gusi
aso mo gusi nga tayari gusiba minto totageti ya monanda twakwane eruga agotakwanda bateseka na very necessary tukwane eruga ya mutwa chamo ngoba the example that emechanda tukwata is our leaders ngamwa ratoko go university ya Nyamira the president bagusiba kananda batwate na abandi bamusabukiye abandi bande koti etekere to chamo n'abantu bari tukurumatera bose bari ba centro baramo so that ekarege ndo gyakire twakwana no totakwane ti
radio
gere ana batakwanda bateseka
amagendera yukorwa assist serikali ya Omoske William Ruto aiga soro kongorwa gusi project neti nyingi kwa rorenga nyale ko magakwigora lakini oko genderera gusi uko tabuki gwanjira gori biyego muchana ningi kirabe
William a country kwa yero na bakoranga na bere gento kere 1+1 lakini ngo nara kwa ngo bataye bagusiba mintonga country mecha taira isi go chakoye kwa koye ve kabineta kire kutitini burango country na William asote president ya bwata madeni ya mange na karenge deputy kiba senki abata boro kinyinga sana okora capital developments echiwo cha kuchirani mega asiankongo and you all know that Kenya has not defaulted at all as we work and get internationally so William has been struggling with the small budget we will ensure even though they are promised to have Kenya we are correct and the Kenya national government now wanted about even though sukari ya chirense obosibu ya chirense fertilizers 2500 electricity na ndote kuunganishwa. So I want to tell you when it comes to Kisii now, though there are challenges, let me talk about the ASRA fund. One of the funds which is doing very well for those who have decided to go and borrow. A very successful venture. Because I've talked to the PS several times for youth fund. I mean for cooperative. There are people who are borrowing and they've achieved up to millions as we speak today. There are several challenges like SHA. Allow me to talk to it in the development. SHA is a very good thing. Lakini buno mwana uwirero tagukina kegima igakona kuagura never had teething problems but I want to assure you that is something which is good because those balibako na chiba seeing the help others who don't have so it's something you kokorera it's like you sino ko moto kuna kwa mangara na boko za kobomanen and very soon we are enjoying the fruits that normally abantu bande are benefited from it and it's working aba Kenya baita ba usiba ito tukatari kia stay so iligusieka tu ekegusi to achievements to president na gete ya busi akaleta nana cancer center nere ko charugurari ya kare moja na betero acheki na ki au fazit he gave express instructions and we are hopeful na chere complete soon
amaga chubuna yinkia ko irerege kabona buno to
ayanda ba mangode buna bana cancer center were given commitment long time ago some few logistics lakini gave an order now it will be done ama genda rande buna ria the university ya Nyamira to talk about problem that's a community we could not agree a site it took us almost many months because we were there in that meeting the leaders the university go chakere ga Nyamira jenava ira bana ba Nyamira we and all to masara the university verega toko ndaga west batera north batera burabu batera lakini bono bakaenda court wana kile yodi amagenda ro one number one na baru sekine court we are hopeful the president will come and the university ya Nyamira will be in its place and I think we are almost agreeing so that the band right to benefit in this development.
Now what to get chibesa kusana tebute serikali ni watu ke chibesa cyo kwagacha ibintu buna bono chichiro au asoro gongoro wagusi chichiro chichatakire kwagacha.
I've seen others ngo tande silonga gari na bongorora those parks there. Chichiro Nkenke, maybe some logistics problems. Lakini then I want to assure you everything the president promised will be in its place before his term ends and either a great process.
Don't you think abarai to bwate na barato yiri andake sinjo nyamurai wense oruri ko bwato kachibesa chichiko kora magendera au kwanyara magendera ya kwamete muchano tari abarai bari to bwate bono
gusi bechane to bwate mekemeke no go Taiwan na barai no go ta chamu to kwane gente kamo go benefit mu gusi abantu bande moroje bunari we centro ba go chamu ba bwana na in principle ba respect abarai babo because abarai babo they always come together when it's necessary ekiaba gusi to tarakora eto konyoro yonda bichia ko musabichia no yonda musabichia one ya convenience bakwa a president ta kumanya what exactly where do I need to stand, so it's important to chamo so that ya ko bato kwa na moyo yom
bono na lindo sabara ibonsi ko mugusiba imukirenga bakubolenga babwatira namo bakwana iri ogeri mobuno mugusi ekirengere rya ungiriki
ekarenga kire to bwatarante kana musike ceremony ya cha ko bari president na bato bwatarante bagusi bagakorega asingiza sana ekaraba maite bakwanda all constituencies together. Good work was done. One on very important and very necessary na ki going to succeed in a community development here. Na very to chamo twins the choro mogambi to o to kwane the spokesman na to nyara ko ba to chamo onye no go negotiate with our leaders at the national level and you are then to bugate obomo. So na very necessary leaders na radio television ba kona ko te na very necessary to chamo to kwa na moyo mo. Yes.
Do you think la uko borio ko sokrangire ko ba ko borio ko genuine ni ko sensia sabanto ba kire ko
ko sama genuine na bande bata ko tarire ko ya rara ba bata ba mo sike friend Matiangi acha bori presidency. Abande is a genuine belief because Matiangi na kolega asia koreka. We also saw it when he was given an opportunity na ba kolega asingi abantu ba korora. Abande we believe as baito bata ko motari ko ya so that garage was invited back to leadership positions. Now abande they are very genuine about it. They are genuine because they have seen this as a performer. Yes.
Lakini ndo kwa tabara ibando barubate biringa atibari gochi ko twara usembara tware kirengere kyo kumosegeta Dr. Fred
no Dr. Matiangi ro manyana taracha in place lakini ndo karacha na baba gusi na baba tote ma the president ndio kere mheshimiwa Matiangi acha hata ya njengo rokuga seto gerega we want to get the president. What I'm planning to do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I thought the agenda chair for this country is a month, but he has not come out. But my fear so much is about time. Baramoro na manda ba center wa kukira dituko day in day out wachakire kuchamo kuebanga. Mata ka kuebanga ndo bona yara taracha bado na kitoko tabana ki agara ngo rige chukuro jina cyo motu is presidency musike William Ruto siri nara head. I honestly don't think there is any single candidate who is going to defeat him. Because number one, so that in the coming 2 years, he's going to fulfill every promise he made to Kenyans. I can assure you that he's a determined gentleman, he's an hard working, he has a plan for this country.
Dr. Fred Matiangi, I talk on Araco, was it always getting a new Yacobo Kirogeka. I was ever a chamo, Umbaco, what is he? I had a curriculum.
Kabisa.
I don't know the chicken.
About in Jenny, what over there, Ngaram Fred Matiang'i arenge waziri, for instance, I was a beneficiary on Tometari Kiambu Institute of Science and Technology as an other board for the last 6 years actually in the National Polytechnic there. It's very important that my fear is Ematuko, I don't know Kenyans want to know your stand. What's your stand on Kenyans here and there? So it needs to come. I believe it be a Suguria Nan, Ario Sibo Bali or Saliaba and the delegation in Chico and all, or receive one of discuss about what Kenya needs. Chukura Jason about Chile to Chibeka or Asagusi. So that in I support, and that I don't go very other presidency, but we have seen his work. My fear is not to conquer my Kenya Nengari. Kenya Ruta, the Northeastern, kind of Mombasa, kind of all. So if we delay is further, we may be preparing maybe for 2032, and then we transform this country. Then, again, my fear, I have one idea. Western, Mudavadiga, full the tea party, I got a one talk or a so plans are on while it's not there. But if it comes, as some of us we need to sit down and say.
Whatever ngatinga kichachire lekine maiwenze unga anda konyori kubwato kakuse kwane kinga kiombekerekia IBC kiro kikabekirwamo ekikiro kingirabo muchano monene kyagrabono bari bari geti ko chiko so gwesa yase etebe umwako bwabachori mbachi gutwara boko abun kiranyare ukwanera igoro
IBC are there for reasons beyond the president. You know, we have had several issues. President Jago appointed then people go to court. And our president also respects the court's rulings. And that's why we see, did up to this point in time. More immediately after Genesis, ICC is signed for the IPC bill. So it's now upon each court because of the parties, they could not agree. Some internal parties could not agree on the IPC. Yes.
Whatever yago sikeke gambiro kodino kurianga para imbale ikete iwe serikali ya wanafatiriko sikawo chikawo koti
Vakembaro, but what I know, there are several things the president atakira kora ekoti ya mukan na ndoida na magego otiga. He has not really pushed the judiciary. By the way, our president has not interfered with the judiciary. I want you to take note also. Even when we listen on each and see there are very issues, our president has not interfered with the police. Again, the William Mata, in the first place, the president, that I will not interfere with the work of the police, with the work of the judiciary. As much as is the president, he has given them autonomous powers, but according to the law. Yes.
Ese njonda takito kwa mangana siasa ya Kenya tukurarige bune gazeti ya Daily Nation yara batabona Fred Matiang'i igabwatanire no muraiwenzo mukuru Uhuru Kenyatta ekirabono ngabali barabo bwatani baye Uhuru Kenyatta babarakanire bajakire ko nyakobeka ekerere kwa nekinga Fred Matiang'i na chikura oloche nkirege tamukero ekia kose
ekinekia anyanga seti
kose siasa bakomo
Anyanga zete ya wiki rengo yomento Fred Matiang'i Jubilee but decided to more support and very genuine. That's a very good support. Umechande yoko tora tuwale na Fred Matiang'i no kuanda no ko togo partner na abantu balitoma ite bali tripo abantu barusiwa because of tribalism abantu barusiwa buno your deputy president yorusiwa moisonde or open the tripo abu aronga ipe na bala nyoro boko but if we partners with the right people it's in order so that yaba kusiba ito na into to new friends and if they are genuine madena bobo ko buga and Mario and Vagokan. Like if they front him because he's the right person who can transform Kenya also. We will be very happy.
Eke ukwana bobo gesako, ukorigere county, bunabone county ya Kisii. Osekro korigere no nyabantu bari mochorire kiro kubune kya oma bagabuna yabo. Mba ngonya bari gwikirania korengana n'eritiko.
Ngote ma bari
bukabira mboyo wasoro kungoro wagusi.
Bukabira mboyo gusi. Wagusi omate among us into Kabila. That's why we see Kere Kabila no yet. etora abantu twanjete kero monto into ikorigere tribe as much. But we also come together gokonya kero monto na gokonya in some ways abantu ba mino lakini tribalism nere eliembe eliyoko kwa mabaga in the office na deputy president ya mabaga 100 manya kurusia abantu 90 95 sobo obarentoro pagusi ntokuati mechando buneyo
lakini girokoria roboti ndorero abwatu kwa mwako ita rokoro kinga kusini gati county chi bakurika kuse onya at the county level konya bari kitenga abantu bararo asobonge n'abagusi percentage rukuru semsa kubindere
good bona kere county iso koligere bya gusini aratoma gituko mix yake because actually in terms of there are laws also governing so ko employer abantu
tikira neti 70%
lakini karo koligere gitwa bikite gusini ne parents gusini na to abantu banje ndo ko mumanya ko batora ipomono kuna sande so in terms of Kisii and Nyamira I think we are not badly off in terms of looking at those aspects. I can tell you, chief position is very senior around Nyamira Gali, when the chief of staff is not, I mean, the head of service there, that would know Nyamira. Gabriel County now, which is supermarket. No, so, but we see into what and asoko bakitura police.
Nona rukwandira ekiombe kiaba director kuse directors caucus.
Ekiombe directors caucus etwa the format ye William Manda taka former serikali yae omo chairman yeto ngana kwa nakoro ku muske Walter Nyambati oyo bolto governor bwa Nyamira na ande to wo chamo all of us twanyara ko share amongst us twanyara ko share opportunities and to advise ani oyo renge FIS chairman yeto no moske migosi ogamba oyo jete the Minister of Education no abata pick the koru atu arenge na konyere Nyambati ndogo ate Josephike Omanwa oyo Beauty mongwana ko gusamba mongwana ko kwechate yes no to arwe karansari na buri somo na represent Nyamira and executive so that we are able to draw agenda as a asomogusi and where we are, to share opportunities, to share what we can do to benefit our people also, as much as we plan for the nation. So, once in a while, to share opportunities, what needs to be done. Yes.
Very involved. Was it
directors, parastatals in Never telling if you go to National Oil Corporation, if you go to Communication Authorities of Kenya, if you go to NTSA, if you go to roads, if you go to almost all over. Whenever we see our one CP, I've talked about those who work in universities, in the councils of universities. Also, those who are CEOs in different parastatals. Bali baraba gusi ndobara ya KPC never kwano mugwana gutoa mushindi mugusinera robo chairman. So we all come together. Ikara tuachiramo tuamanya kwa mnyora toka share ideas na kitoko konya echamia ito na kitoko koreka asi with elected leaders whom we supplement a lot for the development of Kisii. Ntuara agenda yetali president ya Kitega Kana and we could go to different parts of the country. But I think soon we will also start to move around and know what our people need and ingitura akole to waterane so that your mind and recover.
Nataka kora ora shano mancho murire how long ikiombe kegi akorire miremo nande sofanga imo ikirenga kiora te gosinki kwa wakeri.
Okay. Ikiombe ketuachiramo for the last I think 1 year. We have been meeting. We have been laying strategies and we have done asitoko nyarakokora. It may not be again, but we have done that. Wakonya bantu baitu with job opportunities. Like if we know there's a job opportunity elsewhere for our young people, then we advise. Yes, it's really an advisory lots among us. And where we are after our colleagues, when we realize opportunities are there, we share among us the members and among us the groups. Yeah.
Mbia mono sana uko ligereria guse obwamate buri mubwate n'abantu buri bakora imirimo yeti county guse serikali ya county na kibore serikali ya county we partner like in our way I work myself at the Water Resources Authority. We have partnered in the county government of Nyamira very well and we are helping them to set up their own water company.
And in all others, I think it's important that the same is replicated in all other parastatals, that when the county government needs some help, we have made it possible. There is a way the county government will partner na parastatal, those who are in different parastatals, so that if there are opportunities for partnership, they are able, if it's roads, they are able to do that, so that we help them to fast track.
Na abantu gusaba ibuna bona bavunge baravunjira kimukubotera ntu wa waziri. How do you work together?
Yes, our bunge baito na watu wa colleagues na barubuya. We complement each other. And we have worked with them very well. Karatawadi meeting, we have always told them so that we are able to join hands. Importantly, ours is not politics, it's service to the nation and then service to our people, where we come from. So where there are opportunities are there. I've had the people back to the world like me where I am, but you know, we try our best because our localities. I guess what only president you know, people in the midst of what itself, we have several around 10 parastatals involved in drinking water, but ours is regulatory. So we have always tried to advise people, and when we get opportunity like I say NEDL, I will talk about them
na mubwatira na barabane mbere baguchi bangusamagega basoko nyaranga muri kuigwana injira kimoja mwakoremera makira
mono maete bantu bana kubwekana abako nyara bantu babwate different ideas ndwabata kuna kelio mheshimiwa Osoro ale batebe Timothy problem amatebe ne tone na abakwana deke mani lakini tone ya you know we are never the same. There is someone who kwana ke mani ngora no one who kwana ke mani ga shout. So it's about, we need to understand each other, and you know, is important for our development. We will do a lot of things about the unity.
So far emirimo abantu kubwatira na wale lakini inkorora ngabara bagusingura twara bara umucanda amangana bunayo kurutera na amangana ase mitandao chinga kibune cyo kono emirimo ero nkokora bale.
Our leaders, I don't want to charge them because matukava iki anyamba yokora tayo mungana ata babiri amuruta with show report card in the next 2 years. Even our local leaders is the same, whether it's the governor, whether it's the senator, whether members of parliament, because we see ile wakati haiko mbali sana wajibate weleta mangana mange without delivering to their people, they'll be invited held to account. Because it's critical and it's important to me that our leaders wake up those who are still sleeping, but I know others who are very hard working and close to their people. Wako bada jisendikia constituency yao, wako bakole guys, wale na varabu, wako in different development. I'm sure they will also be taken into account and they'll be rewarded. Because we have not done well.
Mbia mono sana tware kuragi nase umutumoko obwechita gikaibire isatoiga tonyo machi tumaya koirana ekira ndocho buna bona Victor Omondo Miyenda abata Mark May present from Kilimani tuko pamoja hadi Tamati tubote Omosori Wege Susu abata bakurwa Nakuru City Alex Mauti kurwa Marokisi County Frederick Ogembo abata bana good job kurwa Nakuru City tunyakeyo onkubo kechituka abata ba Noare Imeomorobere Teresa Kemto wakiwa pamoja Rose Michemo korwa Nairobi Pipeline Bon B Kenya agote anipo site Jeria Kerubo agote wakorwa Ngumbu Manama Barin Lydia Nyaboke following Nalo Empire agote atupo site Tondo Nalo Pilipili Hoho agote wakorwa Timani na wakilisha na kuona kwa studio mbia mono sana David Mogaka agote good morning korwa Babadogo Nairobi na waigo ai namba yetu studio nyakubate ukubole kusekerengere organitiko sanga 072644 7367 chiseme cha Facebook Getembe FM na YouTube Getembe TV kuna natore ase egeka ketarike egetambe kere vosio.
Gitembe Television ekeunga kiamamogusi.
Ine nubwate meyega gose nuganeti meyega yawe ikarane boronge nutagete chiema chingia naende chintingu cyo kugora gose go komboya tarera Buffer Tents yo manyakaine mono buna Buffer Services ni company ekoine kebune meyega yawe ya ikiranire boronge mbabwate birogo byo go komboya naende ngokora bare decorations ase meyega yonsi boigon korose bare bintu binde buna lowering gears chitroli namba bwato bokoreri buna CNC plasma cutting wood router yue kubutora perspex aluco board cellular board PVC wood forex wood engraving sheet na MDF nkorosia bare CNC decorations ase bintu au buna kubutora chi black sheet korosia merangwa ebita chitirisa ebirogo bed heads sofa faces signage grills door labels wall arts interior and exterior decorations nebinto binde binge Buffer Services nige gotoka chimite miayemo kurwa senya gitari ya nyangena ase bare rochege sonso nigo bako igora kura Jumapili goika Ijumaa kurwa chinsa ibere chia mambia goika 11 chia maragoba asa mange bakere simia se namba 0729226464 gose
Gitembe Television ekeunga kiamamogusi.
1 2 3 4 5 makopio ene ngombe bwa
kwani ni sanamu
ndatengo tebi ga makopio engombe ye ga yaho entere yirulete ebine biyanda mama ke muntuma engombe ye nigo okochikwa getika siko ya tweru pakaba gumbangali bono ndatengo tebi ga kokokonya pitata ndatuminyoke immediately gale somo chito bosongo eduka nere gali ekorukunga Enokem Agrovet Enokem Agrovet Limited.
Enokem Agrovet
Straight.
Wanafanya kazi gani na ng'ombe yangu?
We kama lioko konyora immediate kwanza ligeli no mogondo ligeli bano no mogondo ligeli toko gendo ko no malioko yoko sibike nyambi iga right and direct mogondo ko very clear ya
Enokem wanashughulika na ng'ombe ama na samba.
Enokem Agrovet egotiri na kerege ntoke korukio pole mitata amangana ye chingo ko gotuka Enokem amangana ye chiombe Enokem eduka ya bene ne kabisa ige gotuka gali chogo ekerogotira buno rio monto kwa nyamira gali chogo no monto gotira nyamira nsa
Kisi town chogo
esikati ki aje bono konyora Enokem Agrovet ase eduka ya bene ne mapema Enokem ni bwatoro saguronda asomo chito bosongo aiga farikoni mapema oposti amagutazeli mapema nchirinditiyo aye koraiga sibe ng'ombe yo chiko chango kode mapema sibe ng'ombe.
Gitembe Television ekeunga kiamamogusi.
Karibu sana nindo mwancho murigereria kirogenderete ko baimeyo murubiriga wetwani to kurigereria ama gendero ime ya gusi na boigo siasa gusi burai obugenderete konekiwa ase amatukabangoiga kurwase orogongo orwagusi Mr Director ekero onkora rigereria nande bono to kuraswa sense meriechi semi ninkira nyaro kwandra amangana ya education watavango kolore emberemo ase university ya Kisii
buya mana sokonga tibagere nande abanju baito mwanyagetenga se mwabeta ali Kisii university asengo kolega ase ongo ni kale cyabana baito banyara kwa bakonyara kwa bakwende school basome university ito particularly ya Kisii. If you come there today you'll be surprised. Under the leadership of Professor Nathaniel Lubej, the place is wonderful. Teaching in first class. As I go for instance, School of Medicine, we are having the first group which will graduate on a Yagitari. All goes well this year. We are putting in place a system, Chilabara to Chingi Yakabs. I got to Togo East African Medical Association, Kisii to have an ambassador. To brother Chilapi Chingia, Chigosomia, Vanamai to Baba Yagitari, very wonderful. Very extremely qualified. You have an avaito kindly some school and in Mokonyara, and Moko Kisi University, to work a program like nursing, they got the degree level. To go through in Chinas, Chile to international standards. Medical laboratory department, as a Tore, Nero, Kuruya Jagete, Avana Vaiteva, Tamata, Kenya Medical Laboratory Board, once a P. Negative department, Chinenjiro. Our law school is almost the first. Children stratum at the same level. One of our 100%. You can even Google because of the good leadership we have. You are our new vice chancellor. We ensure one of our transcript there, and then we semester acquire. And the teaching is very serious when we open. So there is a lot of improvement. You want to pass one hour, and if you are able to, Kisi University was the best.
Nabari abarukiwa balipata qualify kwa Swasti University barabara.
Bas, bono, ntuaga ambali likarenga ingi ekawukase yabakora. Like instance, into mwanane waziri for education umusikwe because yogamba. Who is doing a very good job. Like now, a portal newe balipata yatakuwa na KMTC. Balipata seaplane, yatakuwa kwa nursing programs. Now, I never see a query next month. Kindly move. And at this time, what Waziri has done, which has not been done in the recent past, he has ensured from the year 2000 up to date can apply to the portal. And they can do nursing, they can do clinical medicine. You go back for KMTC, those who want, there is an opportunity now, which is open, courtesy of the woodwork done by Waziri. In Serikali now. But now, we can compete for those places.
Kwandarango chiskuru chobo bundi asichita.
Yeah, the school bundi our technical colleges. From national polytechnics, like our Kisi National Polytechnic. I work at the best education also in terms of technicals. And in Chile, around 15 in the whole country. To train to be an electrician, if you want to train to be a mechanical engineer, if you want to train other medical courses which are not offered at KMTC, apply. The beauty of this is that under the leadership, under the government of Dr. William Ruto's government, you are not supposed to pay for this technical. Overture, you go there and learn. We are paying something, so the government supports technical education. They are well funded. Equipment, you go kindly to apply. They can use from today up to 14th of February, so that they are able to apply and they get those opportunities for learning.
Ayeso kore mirimo usibiro go biri obuhati kero kende kochero kwa kore mirimo na ba kore mirimo yobo bundi yamahoko.
Yes, abana to korana barabo une university yari bali bakoze so mirimo yamahoko ngega medical laboratory diploma abago chaga to some degree programs. So what I can assure you is that the future is bright. If you not manage to make it to the university, whether you have a D+, whether you have a C-, I'm a college. Now, one about National Polytechnics, but the other technical colleges also, which are many. The water like Yaroka Technical, and in Bali. As the Kwanda Basso, Mere, in Tokisemi, Novo Bundi, we will go back on in the future. And I will Garansari, or Donavoti, Onavoki, Onavo Korea, and I will achieve all what is required in this life. Because education is the key for our community.
Ekero omukugira water resources ose at the county level ekero o chigasi chigacha maboko chiraroro.
Yes, kinyinga sana. Ngabono ndogotori ko mutinyo bajanda bakolete where work at the water resources authority. We are likely ndogotori kabanda bakolete water lakini uko balige likwanyo range ebaraba kake. So ntutakera ndabakora technical ndabakora amanga basomera mache underground water the water chikosi chikova the water institute and the other colleges over them so mabaguna ngo charatoka lakini kwanyoranga bana bantu bayo baisa ine mono abantu baitera ko myo bakwenda bakora walimu abange abantu banyagitari we also these technical colleges which will help them like water management, water waste, and the like. So we have changed never the back of the match, match and I say. So over saying we know what it and I'm going to carry Javana Funsibato Galiba kola matemu fonfo na bande bale siko. Those are areas no want to pursue also. Because I've realized also when since I was appointed there that need narrow yoko somera some of those technical courses.
Mbagwa tiribaga asoko ane kyamagendero asi orobongoro agusi.
Mbagwa tiribaga asoko na konyora igasi na bakonyora chigasi bakora.
Togera mananda siasa yake orojenga siasa enye kuiburwa kusi. Siasa enye kuiburwa kusi. Ekabona bara bachakire kuira umutindo mungao. Mukondo mungao.
Ndiya mwana Matilda asoko mboli bageri na batoro chama tukaya aetire abana siasa baito bachakire go chamo. Bachakire ko ligi new au the new political dispensation. Lakini of all this nanda gingo ba tabi ngo ba sarala busibamento. Ndo tuwe serikali yogoja. Serikali yogoja kara tu akire kisabu nanda kara to kulige reforma ngenje mitobiko renda. Na very your president he has another chance of getting another term. So whichever way, now to my partner with who we are seeing is going to win. So that in total out in the cold. It's also critical that we remain part of this government because there is more we can always benefit. Yes. So Nabotoroche, our members of parliament and other leaders are now coming up down, but we need to also mutumano inga kemi to biko genda kindi buna toro unando zino kuriye utumaya presidency na roma idana bo nenko asomo ntore ni power in position ota como rusiona era rais. So it's important that to chama buna bosi toro which direction we part. It's good to support your monto but we also need to go to see that we are going to win and to partner with the right people.
Utatiga kubura kubwata negati ya barai na nemi tukibindoro chinga bikurene magendero magega asoro konkoro agusi.
Oro ngoro agusi mono no gotagwana kwa barai. Ekara tu achira moto gwana ine. Ebinte binge ebigo happen.
Utatiga kuna ndimbi kibigo chanda magendero.
Ndio haria magendero corruption. Ali make karo moto kwa opportunity kwa nyaranga abantu barengera rikwere kibese obo corruption ene ari gento gende ko re jiwa chipara chawe ko CDF kwa nyare pare ko mu yabe kwa marabali ko kwa moro mu cheto. So there is a lot that also going to delay development. What they are doing, they have not ensured a proper work is being done on the ground. Yes.
Corruption teri kone kiwasi amangana yo kurigire una mache.
Corruption is there all over. We can say there's no place corruption yet. Lakini at the end of the day, we must try to limit so that to ensure there is zero corruption. Actually, this country we do find the ones at all levels. We are talking about all levels, including the voters. You know, last time we saw voters, which surprised me. But I take development that the Baliban to serve. And that's what we are telling our people. Then I work with that, I can vote with your conscience. When you vote with your conscience, you vote the right people, and the right people will deliver you. Deliver what they promise.
How do you tend to temanga tora umukurumina? I was told so ananyasa magana bunai.
I don't know corruption is about also your conscience. That's what also me and the Vaito. That Obogo Chakra now Chakra Abansia Savakuri Chukuri ground. For Chakra Kuguravan, now Chakra Kuguravan, Karavanta Ivago, when you are wind up unconsciously making the wrong decision, they end up suffering for 5 years. So we are talking about sensitization, so that abantu banyara ko bakomanya the right thing and the wrong thing. So bamanye the consequences of corruption. I'm sure some people have run the other way, but if I go to maybe no more MCA, but I can't remember MCA or disappear. But if I go to my MB, I don't see me. Are you seeing? So they're also learning. So with the time, they will realizing I can't remember now I go tama more for development. Development ya ino wekiro mugu.
Ekero okore te magendrale gusi na wego kwena nenkona ya oyo mori ase chitege kavere ndotenga umorobe yore next teaching severe ba geni vibangire kigima ase ekero gukora magendro na ki aikere ko senkerengo kekire ime ya gusi
gusi na batabe magendro tari babuya because of our leadership divisions. Na vero buya bagusira minta bagambe baito to chamo to kwa no mo yamo ka to kwa na state asiari to bwa tegenta kam e president ya to tegerera president ya to take serious because it's very critical now. We need to come together, all of us, to take political differences, whether we are in ODM we na sande ba kwali to kwa no mo yamo, so that development ya gusi enya ko ba ko genda za kuchimutubuya.
Mbona sana kile kwa rekomenda na wewe kwani
I want to thank Matilda soko ngalibaga soko che studio gaiga tuashare na bantu baito na ande mwanya gitinga yaito ya ndona ko batiga na kamo tigato chamo Garatori United, great things happen.
Yes.
Besides that, to work as President William Ruto as opportunity to serve this country. Na ndo tomotevi na aro ndo target more people. I think that's also very critical. Bana comment so that you have to see to feel to na kwa. But I also want to thank abantu that President William Ruto has done us good in terms of appointments. We are not badly off, depending on the country is also. You know, Bana Wesanika at any given time. But I can, I won't go back in a president and other colleagues. And then we're going to go when you're a cana. Nani kawana in the Western, Nigeria and Mombasa, so that we keep on chatting our way forward.
Singing to Ibiro, I'm going to again the record in the Mbiamuna Sana so we kaiga, Chinsa Chabon moment, and then Daganinga, and they can okay and Autocomerana to Yaragosanga, Amange, Oyo Nigo, Aringe, Mr. Jared Dongoi, or Ase Ikumbe, Kirikia Water Resource Management, Okorigeria Ase Una Amacha, and the Corendo say Ase Chinsoko. Chindo chichi wata macha goso ase chitaoni au aiga asense ya Kenya na kichi korendo na bogo na kiamacha yo kwa maya abantu banyare gutumika na bogo na tebango korale mirimo ase school ya University ya Kisii umancho murigereria asinjira yabene kukwiraniria mbuya mono na ndikirongo kuboria na umoroberio ole bosio ochaka chinsa ibere chabono mambi tobasa akomocha gose tobasa koyomisia ekero onko kotevinga mbuya mono sana sagochora getembe television na boigo umoroberio ga bwetwani koba umoroberio nambe yamo abigani yanchama kuro ase studio ya kabiri ngomwiranira mbuya mono na boigo Lucas nere Wilfred ase magega ayechi kamera kware kubamanya kende kusikwara gukwania umuntu oyo mubabire.
My parents back in the village, Moraka Alvayongwa and my mother Alice, Valivako watch. I want to buy to Basenga area Senguru, Ariga Chuba Ward, Namiditi, Buyamono, Litukorigia, Yasaga Nainu, now all my friends who are watching online. May God be with you. Asante sana.
Buyamono sana mancho morigire, tuare oborigire obia, na indero tuare rituko origia, nchenkoroko Matilda Obaiko.